When you think about IKEA, you probably don't think about furniture first. You think about homes, small spaces, everyday life. IKEA started with a very simple idea: make everyday life better for many people. Not luxury, not perfection, just real homes for real lives. And that idea quietly shaped everything that came after. At some point, IKEA understood something important. People don't really connect with products, they connect with moments. Mornings in the kitchen, messy rooms, small apartments. Furniture was never the story, life around it was. If you look at IKEA's social media, you won't see perfect homes. You'll see spaces that feel familiar, place that looks like somewhere you've actually lived. That's not accidental. This kind of content works because it feels honest. It doesn't try to impress you. It simply lets you recognize yourself in it. And when people feel seen, they stay, they engage, they share. Some of IKEA's most successful campaigns don't feel like campaigns at all. They feel like small stories about relationships, about everyday problems, about normal life. That's why people don't skip them. They don't feel sold to, they feel understood. IKEA doesn't really sell tables or sofas. It sells a feeling that your life doesn't have to be perfect, that your home can grow with you, that you belong. That's brand value, not the product, the feeling around it. And that's why IKEA's content works. It doesn't shout, it tells stories people quietly recognize as their own. If you enjoy this kind of storytelling, you might want to stick around.